Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. This video is all about the vacancies which are in Joho Recruit. So the role is for software developer. There will be a test which will be conducted on 28th October 2020. Experience required to apply for this job is 0 to 2 years. That means freshers can apply. Job location, as you can see, it will be Salem and the company name is Joho Recruit. So let us find out details about the job. Job description includes develop, test and implement new software programs, write clean and efficient code, troubleshoot, debug and maintain the existing software programs, collaborate with UX team to identify areas to improve in the existing programs and develop them. Monitor quality performance and usage of the developed functionalities in the applications. Help marketing team to launch the feature, understand domain, monitor customer feedback, and recommend improvements to the applications. Work closely with other developers, designers, support representatives to manage and enhance the application. So now let us see how you can apply. So you have to apply online. Complete process will be done online. Now let us talk about the rounds. So entire process will include 5 rounds. All the rounds will be conducted online. Round 2 and round 5 will be conducted using video conferencing. So to face all these rounds, you will need a laptop computer with front camera with a good internet connectivity. So as I already told you, the entire selection process will be done in 5 rounds. So the first round will be the general aptitude test, which will be conducted on 28th October 2020, and the duration of this aptitude test will be 1.5 hours. So you are recommended to thoroughly practice the aptitude questions. Now, round 2 and the other rounds will totally depend if you will get shortlisted. If you will get shortlisted, then you will be informed. Now, round 2 will consist of programming round and the duration will be 3 hours. So you will get 5 programs to solve. You will need to explain the logic, write code and show the output. You can code in any programming language you are comfortable with, such as C, C++, Java, etc. Now, tools used, it means that how these tests will be conducted. So the Zoho will share an online meeting link for the candidate to join the video conference. The candidates will be asked to share the screen as they develop the code. The interviewer may ask questions as the code is being developed, so be ready for that. Now, candidate will need any IDE, Turbo C, Dev, C++, etc. installed in their laptop computer. Now round 3 will consist of advanced programming round. Duration will be of 3 hours. You have to create one program with complex nature and then you need to explain the logic, write code and show the output. Round 4 will be based on technical interview and the duration will be 1.5 hours. Interview would be done through video conferencing where your technical skills, problem solving and thinking skills will be evaluated. Last but not the least, if you will be successful enough, then you will face the last and final round, which will be the HR interview round. And again, this round will be for 1.5 hours. It would be done through video conferencing. Now, here is the note for you all. As and when you apply, don't comment in the comment box that you didn't get the answer or reply for them because you will be informed or intimated only if you will be shortlisted. If you are shortlisted, then you will be informed via email, which you will fill up in the form. I have given the link in the description box. So more details regarding the next round will be sent in the call letter. If you have already attended a written test or you have been interviewed at Zoho during the past 3 months, then please don't apply because your application won't be accepted. Also, you don't have to apply if you are a student and you are graduating in 2021. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Wish you all the best. I hope many of you will crack these rounds. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. For latest notification about internships, certifications and job update, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe.